If you want to put a reminder widget on your iPhone lock screen, it can be a great way to stay organized and keep track of your tasks at a glance. Widgets allow you to access important information without needing to unlock your device fully. Here's how to add a Reminders widget to your iPhone lock screen. Step 1. Add widget to your lock screen. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Wallpaper. Select your lock screen wallpaper from the middle left. Tap Add Widgets. Try to look for the apps. If you can't find it here, scroll down, select your reminder apps, tap and hold the icon, drag it to your widget and adding space. If this says no reminder, that means there is nothing to remind you of. To use details, you need to add something to your Reminders apps. By following these steps, you can easily add a Reminders widget to your iPhone lock screen, allowing you to quickly view and manage your tasks right from your home screen without unlocking your device. This feature can help you stay organized and on top of your responsibilities throughout the day.